Here we go, Gio. Come on, we're gonna start some cooking. I hope you're a little hungry.
Yeah.
So I know you told me a lot of times when you was locked up, you like fucking with the burritos, right?
Yeah.
So I wanted to make a burrito for you today. You my man, you my brother. It might not be Colombian style, but it's crooking style. And when you hungry, yes, it's gonna be Hudson County correctional style.
Okay.
So you know, I'm going to commissary every week, so my bag is right. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of things in here. Let's see what we got. You fuck with pork rinds?
Oh yeah.
Here you go. We got some pork rinds over here. You want to fuck with some chilies? You can put the rest on the table, right? What you fuck with more? The chicken ramen or the chili ramen? Or both?
Both.
All right, here we go. Here, take these. Now look, here, I got some more soups just in case you want to really get busy. Yeah. All right, I got the tortilla bread. So this is the big boy shits for the burritos. Here you go.
Okay.
All right, and we going
the money was right this week, huh?
Yo, man, shout out to all the females showing me love. You know what I'm saying? I be writing, I love y'all. I'm a call. You know what I'm saying? They accept and collect calls. Yeah. Yo, no homo. We got summer sausage. If you know, you know. Pause. Pause. That's a heavy pause. Yeah, and then, yo, listen. I know you don't like the spicy pickles, pause, but these shits is fucking right, bro. So, you know, we're gonna keep them all for yours. I know you probably don't even want to hold it. And yo, this is the special. This is very near here. Yes, this is the special Oz sauce, man. So sooner or later we're gonna have this out on the market. There's no place like home. You know what I'm saying? You in jail, you want to go back home. There's no place like home. The Oz sauce.
The Oz sauce.
Shout out to my man Jut. You know what I mean? I can't tell you. Nah, man. I can't tell you. Yeah, of course. I can't tell you because then you might steal my business, brother. But it's rocking. It's rocking. So what we going?
It got mustard in here.
Nope, no mustard. I promise you, no mustard. All right, so you remember how to break these down, right? Grab one, help me out. Break these down. Don't pop the bag though. Oh, you an OG with this shit, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, here, man. Pop another one.
You gotta cut it a little bit too.
If you know, you know. This is how we break our ramen noodles. You know what I'm saying? You break them up evenly. You'll pop a bag here and there, but it's okay. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you still use it.
Yeah. So I think we good with 4. You good with 4?
Yeah.
All right. So you know how I do. I always like motherfucking cooking in a garbage bag. You know what I'm saying? You can get this from your local kitchen. The nigga who's coming in here on a late night, you know what I mean?
Right.
He can get you the hookup.
Or you get it from your local CO.
Yeah, or your local CO, you know what I'm saying? Whoever the cleaner the fucking unit is, he'll have access to it too.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we're gonna throw 2 chickens and then we're gonna throw 2 chilies. Right?
Okay.
Bang.
Straight up.
This shit cooks quick too. And you know, this shit is the fundamentals of all fucking all jail food, bro.
Yeah.
It's all always has the
what jail do makes you basically go back to the basics. You know what I'm saying?
Back to the basics.
You know what I mean?
You have to sometimes though.
You know what I mean?
All right. I think my water's hot. The shit was taking a little while, but look, that shit's smoking. You see that it's smoking.
Straight up.
Now we cooking.
You know what I mean?
I don't throw too much, matter of fact.
Yeah, you gotta throw too much.
Nah, you gotta throw too much.
Right.
Let me throw my seasoning in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, pop one open. Get a chili open. Whichever, you know what I mean? How many soups? We do 4 soups in there, so we throw it at least at 2 seasoning packs.
Straight up.
Put this right over here. Get that bitch in there.
Yeah.
Right there. That's good old seasoning. Yeah. This is good old American cooking, you hear me? Good old American cooking.
This is good old high blood pressure. That's what this is.
This is fuck up your life. This is fuck up your life cooking. But you know what, man?
Nah, but honestly, at the end of the day, when you inside, you know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, this are the meals, you know what I'm saying, that make you get your weight up and stuff like that, you know what I mean?
But remember, we gotta keep reminding people, you'd rather be at home eating some good shit at a restaurant with a woman instead of having to be in a situation.
Yeah.
But since we get ourselves in these situations, we're gonna make the best out of it. So
for the hard heads.
Here we go. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hard head.
Straight up.
Let's get some more water in here. Thank you, brother. We're gonna add a little bit more. This shit's smoking now. Woo! Smoking Joe Frazier.
The crazy part, right? Where's more? Shit. Motherfuckers.
A little bit more. Oh, you know how to shaping this shit out, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, my man's a G with this shit, bro. Shit. Take a look at this, y'all. Take a look at this, y'all. Take a look at this, y'all.
Okay.
Real simple, but it's gonna taste really good. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of this. Some of the sausage right here. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang. Okay. Now, you got your pork rinds over there, because you don't want to use these, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this right here.
Alright,
Right there. And then you know I'm gonna get some of these pickles in here.
See, everybody has their own way of how they do this.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I'm saying? But as long as you eat it right,
that's why I call hooker. You gotta hook it up.
You gotta hook it up. You gotta hook it up.
You know what I'm saying?
And this is my favorite part. Y'all gonna get a chance to see this. I'm telling you, some of this shit gonna be in Walmart. Gonna be in all these spots sooner or later. And I got some more ideas for some other products, but you know, right now the Oz sauce, man. Yo, Jut, I gotta write to you, man. I need your address. Here you go. I suggest, look, it's a little spicy, so maybe you want to put it on it as you eat it, or you do as you want. But it's a little spicy.
Alright.
So you gonna use this like that.
That nigga in spice.
We just gonna wrap this shit out up, nigga. Are you ready? Hold up, Mr. Hold up. Hey yo.
This here right here.
That
Put it in front of the camera.
Right here. Now I cut off a little extra bread. Yo, salute, bro.
Should look like a Subway burrito.
delicious.
Oh, damn, this shit good. Y'all hungry?
Yeah, nigga.
Yo, we gonna make you a plate too, man.
Down.
Come on, Rock, you hungry?
I'm damn hungry.
My nigga Rock the block. Don't hurt nobody, nigga. I got you. I'm about to leave you right now, baby.
D-Block for you, baby.
D-Block, yo, you was the freestyle king in D3, huh?
Yeah.
I heard about you, baby.
Yeah, I'll buy you that shit. I ain't gonna
Slide over a little bit?
No.
Slide over just around your head.
I ain't
You know
gonna.
we make a mess. You know we giving a fuck.
I was on hoops.
We got hooch.
I was on hoops.
You know how to make the hooch?
Nah, I didn't do it. My man did it some good for
Nice,
me.
man.
Yeah.
Oily wine.
Toilet one.
Still recording? Yeah.
Good.
Damn.
What happened?
Nigga, I'm
When
hungry.
we had the hoops, we had
Pick this
L,
shit up, nigga.
and we had like a nice little cipher.
I'm in there.
They're falling apart, but we eating. We good.
Pick a little bit of this shit in here.
Look, you make a fucking mess.
Yo, where the eye sauce at?
Our sauce right here, nigga.
No place like home.
Won't play like home,
Like
nigga.
home.
This shit rocking though. It's official.
Good.
Yo, they said I would have got left up north, but I was the chef up north. So I came back, baby. You know the vibes.
I roll this motherfucker like
Good.
a blunt, nigga.
Nigga, what you smoking weed, nigga? Nigga, you smoking tea bags.
Had a flashback.
Yo, Gio, I want to thank you, man. You broke bread with us. You broke the burrito with us.
Yes, sir.
And we had a good conversation, man. And
And it was a pleasure
no
being
doubt.
here.
You know what it is. So we just want to remind everybody, you know, we share our stories so you don't have to experience them. And so you can see the loss of time. Because through all of this shit, you're forced to eat nothing but this. So you got to make the best out of it. You know what I mean? You're forced to do certain things and lose time with your loved ones. So don't get jammed up, baby. Crooking. We about to go into some thugging and bugging. So we see y'all in a minute, man. Get out my fucking face, man. I'm trying to eat.
Jammed Up Journals.